for the food poisoning. Common pathogens responsible for food poisoning. So food poisoning refer to the illness of acquired by the through acquired through the constipation. Illness acquired through the constipation, through through the consumption of food, through the consumption of food or drink, contamination or contamination, either the microorganism or the toxin, either the toxins or microorganism. Any illness caused by this microorganism. So what are the positive agent or microbial agent for food poisoning? The microbial or agent for food poisoning. So microbial agent for the food poisoning are divided as the incubation period, then symptoms, then common source. So we can classify as this. So incubation period, 1 to 6 hours. In between the 1 to 6 hours caused they are the Staphylococcus aureus and Bacillus cereus. And what are the symptoms? Like vomiting, diarrhea, abdominal cramps, and the source is fried rice. So this one Bacillus cereus is from the fried rice. Regarding the in between 8 to 16 hours, there is a Clostridium perfringens, and Bacillus cereus. So also it's caused the vomiting, diarrhea, abdominal cramps, and when we look at the source, there is a beef, poultry, and legumes. And regarding the Bacillus cereus, this is also same, but it is from the meat, vegetables, and the cereals. Regarding the more than the 16 hours, the organism are the Vibrio cholerae, then enterotoxin, enterotoxigenic E. coli, enterohemorrhagic, E. coli. Then there is non-typhoidal salmonella, and there is Shigella species, then Vibrio parahemolyticus, After that, there is Campylobacter jejuni, Campylobacter jejuni. Then there is Clostridium botulinum, Clostridium botulinum. So regarding this Vibrio cholerae, Vibrio cholerae and enterotoxin E. coli cause watery diarrhea. Then this enterohemorrhagic bloody diarrhea cause bloody diarrhea. And regarding this non-typhoidal salmonellosis inflammatory diarrhea cause inflammatory diarrhea. And regarding this Shigella species and the Vibrio cholerae, it's caused dysentery. Regarding this Campylobacter, it's caused the inflammatory diarrhea. And these are the diarrhea. So these are the bacterial agent. So now moving on the list of viral agent. Regarding viral agent cause the diarrhea. So there is a rotavirus, Norwalk virus, then SAP virus. There is adenovirus. Then there is a ostrovirus. Then there is a calcivirus. This rotavirus member of the Retroviridie family. It is a member of Retroviridae family. Reoviridae family. And non-involved this is a double-stranded RNA virus. RNA virus is a structure look like the isohedral symmetry. And regarding this adenovirus, so adenovirus is a only involved DNA virus isohedral phosphate it has the fibroprotease and the 12 proteins and capsid. And regarding this, here is the hemoglobin fibers is organ of attachment. It has fiber of organ of attachment is like hemagglutinin and photoantigen isotopes. So regarding the laboratory diagnosis of this adenovirus, so laboratory diagnosis, there is antigen detection in the stool, antigen detection in stool, isolation from in culture, isolation in culture, and then there is like antibody titers. This so regarding the laboratory diagnosis of this rotavirus, in the rotavirus there is a specific collection of electron microscopy done and viral antigen, also antibody titer and the viral genome detection. Regarding the astrovirus, it is a linear positive sense single stranded RNA, and it is surfaces icosahedral casped to 5 and 6 pointed start, and there is a mild enterogastritis cause mild enterogastritis, and also is a transmission by the fecal route. Transmission by fecal oral routes. Diagnosis is the viral antigen. Regarding the nucleovirus, this Norwalk virus is like a member of the Calciviridae, and it is a positive sense RNA, single strand RNA, positive sense, and there is like it's called transmission, but it's transmitted by the fecal route, and also like electron microscopy antigen detection and antibody test.